Hey everyone, Nick back. Today's going to be the fifth video in our video series, and today I'm going to be going over how your business could react to a cyber attack. So if you do find yourself at the end of one of these attacks, the odds of your business closing due to lost revenue is 1 in 5. Just to start you off by scaring you, there's going to be a few things that are going to happen in the wake of an attack. The first thing is you're going to have to admit that you did face a ransomware attack or a breach, and that's very embarrassing for your company. The second thing that's going to happen is the public is going to be made known about it. Whether that's social media, clients, or regular news outlets, the public is not going to be kind to you. They really, especially in the last few years, they don't take these scenarios very lightly. The third thing that's going to happen are possible legal ramifications, such as lawsuits, fines, and fees. According to the New York Shield Act, if you're holding private information of any New York resident, it doesn't matter where your business is located. If you do have information on a New York resident, you must disclose any breaches to first the Attorney General, the state police, and the Division of Consumer Protection. According to them, a breach is the unauthorized access, whether it's from an employee or from a hacker on the outside. It's the unauthorized access of digital data that compromises and endangers the security, confidentiality, and integrity of private information maintained by a business. According to them, private information is stuff like full names, addresses, email addresses with corresponding security questions and answers, social security numbers, credit card numbers, and driver's license IDs. If you are required by the state to implement reasonable safeguards in order to protect this data, so basically that means you're required to have a business continuity plan. If you do decide to follow the law and implement a plan, the ransomware threat is significantly diminished to your business. With a certain example, like a data backups, they do a hybrid system. So the difference between a hybrid backup and a file backup, a hybrid backup takes screenshots of your system, whereas a file backup only backs up files. And the reason why hybrid is better than file is when you're taking snapshots, it's much easier to rebuild the system when you're doing a rollback. With Datto products, we can have you back up and running anywhere between 5 and 15 minutes, whereas as a file backup, you would have to recreate permissions, among other things. In terms of breaches, the best way to respond to a cyber attack is not to have one in the first place. You mitigate those chances by having a multi-layered approach, like I've been discussing in these videos. While it doesn't guarantee that it won't happen, your business will be much better off than the average business in terms of the chance of a breach happening and all the negative stuff that I talked about in the first first part of this video happening. That's it for today. I'll be back again on Monday. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again soon.